So guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can add or remove the programs in Favorite in the Electrolux app. So in the first step, click on the washing machine in your smartphone application. Then click on the plus under the favorites. Now, as you can see, there are current settings in the favorites. We can click on the next, add a name of the cycle, click on the save. And as you can see, there are cut on second, and we can set the additional functions and the other settings for it, like are you washing the bud line, for example. Click on the next. And as you can see, we have a new favorite cycle. That's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.